Welcome back to Under Oath.
Yes.
I'm attorney Jeff Kaufman. Sitting next to me is comedian James Sean.
Hello.
Okay, I'm a little spoiled now.
Why?
I'm getting to do some stuff that normally as a kid I would have thought was amazing.
Okay.
But as an adult, it's super amazing.
Okay.
We sponsor the local indoor football team,
I hadn't noticed.
the Pirates. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's the first year the Pirates are here. They moved from Massachusetts.
Yeah.
And
Congrats, by the way, my friend.
And we're going to talk about this because it's just true. And this is how things don't age well.
Uh-huh.
Everyone goes, why didn't they just buy the name from the Orlando Predators?
Oh.
The Orlando Predators, that was our team. And I didn't want to tell them because every time they say the word predator, I go,
Yeah. Ha.
didn't age well.
No.
Because we were thinking, oh, raptors,
Yes.
dinosaurs,
Yeah.
not guys who are getting busted by Chris Hansen.
Correct.
How to catch a predator.
Yeah.
Was
Yeah.
like Jurassic Park, not like, Grady Judge in Polk County.
Yes.
I don't.
That's not the name you want.
And people keep saying it to me, Jeff, you're involved. Maybe they can. No. It won't work
ever.
And they'll go, well, Jeff, that's silly. You're just being overly sensitive. And I go, I grew up at a time where certain things became unpopular fast.
Yes.
Some things don't age well.
They do not, my friend.
There was a dietary candy
in
the 80s.
Mm.
It was spelled AIDS.
Mm-hmm.
And 3 years later, they named the disease AIDS.
Correct.
Now, we could agree, not the same name.
Not the same.
Feels the same.
Mm-hmm.
And that company went, yee.
Correct.
So that's the same thing.
Yes.
So I get to support the Orlando Pirates. And it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's so much
You're having
fun.
a good time.
Oh, I'm having an amazing
You're
time.
happy. You're giddy, actually.
I actually, because I'm a sponsor and because I'm very involved in the team, I get to do such cool things. But the games are so much fun. And I'm an NBA guy. I'm an NFL guy.
Yeah.
I love these games more.
Tell them why.
It's fun. And it's fun because the game's fast.
Fast paced.
There's never going to be a 14-14 game.
Nah.
No. It's going to be 40 to 60, 70 to 80. I mean, just stupid numbers like this because somebody's scoring and it's always moving fast. There's 8 guys. It's on basically the size of a basketball field, basketball court. Amazing.
It is.
And it's so much fun. And the players are not your spoiled super guys who are getting in trouble, who can't go, I don't respect the coach. And they ain't making any coaching decisions on this level.
No.
The coach and the team control what goes on in that field. And the players are glad to play because this is an opportunity for them to get recognized by a higher league.
Correct.
And the players are killing themselves and they're having a good time. And it's amazing.
Yes.
And you're watching it happen. And I get to go like on a win. I go into the locker room. But
I know you get to go in the locker room, which is really cool. But I heard you had an unexpected visitor in the locker room too. My buddy, my friend.
Okay. Jacob, they do a lot for autism awareness, the Pirates.
Which is great.
For me, it's so selfish.
Yes.
I love it. It's getting out there. Jacob's getting out there. Other families are telling me all the time how amazing this is. And Jacob gets to come down with me. But I have my buddy Matt, who also is like a secondary watcher for Jacob sometimes. So I have to go into the locker room. So I go, Matt and I are going down. I go, you got him? He goes, yeah, I got him. Yeah. I said, so I run into the locker room. And they're right about to do the prayer, and I'm going to get ready. And it's after the game. And they do a prayer after the game.
Yeah.
And I hear this, what's your name? Oh, Lord.
Jacob's just there.
Jacob just standing in the locker room. I grab him. And we go to do the prayer, and I go, don't say a word. Don't say a word. And we all have our arms, you have your arms around the players. It's this great moment, and they're doing the prayer.
Yeah.
And right before the prayer ends, the minute split seconds, Jacob drops an amen.
That's the right time. Yeah.
Amen. But he gets there before everyone else does.
I love Jacob.
Oh.
I love that he just pops up. What's your name?
Oh. Just out of nowhere.
I love it.
But it's so great. I love our Pirates. If you want tickets, go to orlandopirates.com. Just go to a game. They're cheap. You're going to have a good time. Your kids are going to be amazed by it.
But it's going to be fun, is what you keep telling me.
And at the end of the game, all you have to do is check in, and you could go down onto the field, and they'll sign your stuff.
Come on.
If they're kids go nuts. They're, oh, my God, I'm on the field. Oh, my God, this player I watched, they're signing my shirt. They're signing my this. That doesn't happen anymore.
No.
So, give your kids this great experience. And if you're an adult, you'll have a fantastic experience too.
Come on out there. Support the Pirates.
All right. So what am I looking at?
Legally Screwed today is a good one, man. Now, look. I got in an accident, and I walked away uninjured after getting rear-ended at 70 miles per hour. And
Did you?
Not personally.
Well, no, I mean, did you walk away uninjured?
Well, this is
at
the question.
Time.
Yes, this is an important part.
People don't understand the math on this stuff.
Yes. So adrenaline's going when you first get hit by stuff.
And adrenaline's going for 24 to 48 hours.
Yes.
This is in our biology to allow us to flee after being significantly injured.
Correct. And survive. It's a survival instinct. Yeah. So I got rear-ended at 70 miles per hour and having my car completely totaled. I'm concerned that insurance is going to lowball me. I'm being told I should sue the driver for damages, and I'm unsure if I should hire a lawyer or wait.
In most states, you have 2 weeks to seek medical attention.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Okay.
And Florida, if you don't go within 2 weeks, they penalize you $10,000.
Off your settlement you might get.
Well, forget your settlement.
Okay.
I want to go to a doctor. The doctor automatically knows he's not going to have access to the $10,000 of what they call PIP insurance, and which means that he's only going to get paid if they settle.
Oh, it's contingent. Oh, okay.
And what happens is that let's say medicals are $20,000. They're going to take that off the amount. They're going to go, okay, we'll take the $10,000, so you're only going to get $10,000 for medicals.
Okay.
What you're going to do is contact an attorney immediately.
Got it.
Because that's the responsible thing to do.
Mm-hmm.
The attorney will send you to a doctor to get looked at.
Mm-hmm.
If you need treatment, they'll get you treatment.
Got you.
If not, they won't. Do not take the call from the insurance company.
Say it again because people need to hear it.
Do not take the call from the insurance company and discuss health. If you want to discuss damages to the car, yes. How are you feeling? Not allowed to talk about that.
That's important because you're not going to know that. And here, I've been on the other end of this call, and here's how they do it. They get you because the person making that call is the sweetest person in the world. Oh my God, Mr. Yan, I know you got in an accident, and that's a horrible thing. We all agree that's a horrible thing.
We want to be there for you.
Yeah.
Tell me how you feel. Where did you get hurt?
Oh, do you need medical? Do you need me?
Where'd you get hurt?
Hey.
Was it your back? It's your leg? Oh, your back's fine? Okay, what about your head? Is your head fine? Okay. And did you hit anything when you were in the car? Did any of your body parts hit the car?
Oh.
Believe it or not, it sounds exactly like the attorneys when they're deposing you.
But in a pleasant, warm, like...
And then you know who's going to ask you the same question? The attorneys in the deposition. Well, when you called us 2 years ago, you said this. Well, no, I just said I was feeling okay. Well, were you feeling okay? So when did you stop feeling okay? The minute you got a lawyer? There you go.
Uh-huh.
So that's the way it goes. So only discuss property issues.
Mm-hmm.
And they're going to lowball you on that too.
Okay, explain that. What people
they're going to say, well,
go ahead.
Well, we'll give you $2,000. I don't know what's the cost of fixing this thing. And very rarely we'll give you blue book value. Like the car got totaled, blue book. That means, let's say the car is
Kelly Blue Book you're talking about.
And the problem is half the time cars are underwater to begin with. I mean, when I say underwater, meaning that the car might have a blue book value of $5,000 and you owe $8,000 on it.
Upside down.
So you're upside down. Mm-hmm. You're underwater for $3,000. You know, a lot of times the car gets replaced out of the settlement for the health.
Oh, so then your medical bills are...
Your medical bills are significantly important. So what happens is they only gave you $4,000 for a car that you couldn't buy for $7,000.
No.
And you owed $7,000 on it. Mm-hmm. So you have to use what you got for your health to help get you into the car.
Oh my gosh.
So you got to use your future medicals to buy a new car.
So where does that leave you then as a person?
It's in a bad situation. What has to happen is let your lawyer handle it.
Got it.
And it's difficult to know who to call. It really is.
Because you don't know where to go.
Do I go to the largest? Do I go to the guy who has the best commercial?
Mm-hmm.
The issue should be this. Do you trust him? And ask who your lawyer is going to be. That's a big thing.
Let me elaborate a little bit, because we all know there are big lawyers out there. We see commercials, we see billboards, but I can see when I call the importance of saying, hey, I'm calling this firm, but who's actually my lawyer?
Who's going to be the attorney representative?
And if I hear, well, it's going to be the guy that...
Oh, well, we'll know that later.
Yeah. Okay, see.
Or if they give you this name and you're going, well, who's
that? Yeah.
How long has he been with the firm? That's a big deal too.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, in my firm, they would call up and they'd say, hey, who's representing? Well, Jeff and Craig.
That's what I mean. That's the difference. The guy that's
we also don't take, 2,000 cases a month.
No.
I mean, we are always available.
Yes.
And that's the thing. I get called all the time by a client who'll go, they'll be scared. And we do things that a lot of firms don't do. I shoot videos, informative videos for different steps the client might be in.
You do.
And the other day, it was kind of funny that we had a client in deposition. And after the deposition, she came to me and she goes, Jeff, the videos that you sent me, I watched it a lot. And you were right. I would not have been prepared if I hadn't watched your video. And actually I watched it 3 or 4 times.
There you go.
And the video's only like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But it was enough for her to get it. And we explain that to them beforehand anyway. We cover all those things, but sometimes they don't hear you and they need that video or they need that. And the hardest thing a client has is when you're in an accident, what's the first thing you think? Well, I saw a billboard where he got $1 million.
Yeah.
So where's my $1 million?
Yeah.
Well, the first thing I discussed with you is I said, okay, this is your basic expectation. You're not getting $1 million if you have no medicals, meaning that you have no bills.
Yeah.
And your bills are normally, whatever settlement you get, it's normally anywhere from 2 to 5 times your medicals. So if you only have $10,000 in medicals, do the math. How much should you get?
Correct.
Well, the settlement should be 50. It's not going to be $1 million.
No.
Now, if you had surgery and the surgery was $100,000, maybe 400,000 or 500,000 or something like that. But that's the way it normally plays out.
Makes sense.
Also, your attorney doesn't control how much insurance the person who hit you has.
No.
So let's say the guy has one of these cheap, and I don't want to call it NBA policies. Because I really like the guy.
If the insurance company has a cartoon mascot
who is not an officer in the Army,
you're gonna be paid in Acme bucks.
There are certain companies that I see.
Yeah.
And I go, this guy's screwed.
Oh, you're done.
That's bad.
Can we just say really quickly, if you do get insurance, don't go with a cheap insurance.
No.
It's going to cost you more in the long run.
Get cheap insurance if you can't afford insurance.
Got it.
If you don't have any money,
gotcha,
and you have to get the minimum,
do what you got to do.
But there's a good chance you're going to pay for it later, meaning if you get in an accident and you don't have this extra insurance to cover you because the guy also had cheap-ass insurance.
There you go.
You'll be out of a job, you won't be able to work, and you'll have no money. So be responsible for that. And don't trust that the driver who hits you will have good insurance.